वेलकम बैक टू नर्सिंग ब्लॉग यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम फिर से 20 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लेके आए हैं और हाँ, आपको भी मेरे साथ हर एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं ताकि आप बाद में खुद का इवैल्यूएशन कर सको। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। A first person become a Sikh is known as. So here our right answer is primary case. Okay. Then what is the index case? Index case is the first identified cases in a group of related cases of a particular communicable disease. So index case, it is a first identified case, and the primary case is the first person become a Sikh. Okay. So please remember the difference between index case and primary case. Then second question, disease which include in a submerged part of iceberg phenomena except. So here our right answer is influenza. Influenza is not included in a submerged part of iceberg phenomena. Then what is the iceberg phenomena? So this is the phenomena. Here one part is a floating part and one other part is a submerged part. The floating part means the visible cases, who is a diagnosed and who is a visible. Okay, and then the floating cases, it is invisible or we can say carrier, and it is either undiagnosed or either asymptomatic. So the disease include in a submerged part, it is hypertension, diabetes and anemia, which may be asymptomatic and which may be undiagnosed. Okay, and in the floating part, it is called visible cases like tetanus, anthrax, rabies. It is a visible and easily diagnosed like influenza. Okay, so floating part include the visible cases or diagnosed cases, and the submerged part include the undiagnosed or asymptomatic or carrier disease. Okay, the next question, all are the live vaccine except. So here our right answer is tetanus. Tetanus is not included in a live vaccine. The next question, which adjuvant used as a preservative in a DPT vaccine? So here our right answer is albumin phosphate is used as a preservative in a DPT vaccine. The next question, Koplik spot is a clinical feature of. So Koplik spot is seen in measles. So here our right answer is measles. The next question, disease caused by inhalation of a sugarcane dust. So here our right answer is bagacosis. Bagacosis is a disease, occupational disease, which is caused by inhalation of a sugarcane dust. And biocinosis is an occupational disease which occur due to the inhalation of a cotton dust. Then anthracosis is a disease occur by inhalation of a coal dust, and the silicosis is occur by inhalation of silica dust. So this four is a occupational disease. Okay. The next question, test used to determine the free residual amount of chlorine in a water. So here our right answer is orthotordelin test is a test used to assess the free residual amount of chlorine in a water. Then what is a caloric test? It is a test to determine the function of semicircular canal and to check the response of a vestibular nerve. Okay. Then Resazuin test, it is a test used for the hygiene and potential keeping the quality of raw milk. So this test is used to assess the quality of a raw milk. Okay. The next question, who is known as a father of epidemiology? So here our right answer is John Snow is known as a father of epidemiology. Then the Louis Pasteur, who discovered the pasteurization. Please remember this by a Pasteur name. Okay. Then Joseph Lister is the father of sterilization, and the Robert Hooke is the first scientist who visualized the microorganism. The next question, which is the best indicator to assess the virulence of any disease? So first, virulence means the killing power of any disease. Okay. So here our right answer is case fatality rate. It is the indicator to assess the virulence of any disease. Okay. So what is the case fatality rate? So case fatality rate, it is the proportion of a death from a certain disease compared to the total number of people diagnosed with the disease for a particular period. So it gives the number of a death of a person from a particular disease in a particular period of time from a patient who diagnosed with this particular disease. Okay, the next question, Sullivan's index is the indicator for. So Sullivan index is the indicator for the disability. Okay, so Sullivan index, it is also known as a disability free life expectancy, is a method to compute the life expectancy free of disabilities. Okay, so it gives the number of free disability years of a person. The next question, quarantine first applied for which disease? So here our right answer is plague. Okay, quarantine first used for a plague disease. The next question, use of condom include in which level of prevention? So here our right answer is primary level of prevention, because primary level include the specific protection and health promotion. So here we use the condom as a specific protection against the pregnancy. So it include in a primary level of prevention. The next question, smallpox discovered by. So here our right answer is Edward Jenner, who is the first scientist who discovered the vaccine of smallpox. Okay, then Alexander Fleming is a discovered penicillin drug. Then John Snow is the father of epidemiology, and the Robert Hooke is the first scientist who visualized the microorganism. The next question, most important element of a cold chain is. So here our right answer is ILR is the most important element for the cold chain. Okay, you can see the ILR, it is a Iceland refrigerator. It is used as a district and PSC level, and the temperature of ILR, it is about 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and the vaccine used in the ILR is a BCG, DPT, OPV, measles, TT and hepatitis B vaccine, and the capacity of ILR, it is about 300 liter to 140 liter. Okay, and we have to provide the continuous 8 hours of electricity to maintain the ILR accurately. Okay, then the next questions, herd immunity generate in all vaccine preventable disease except. So here our right answer is tetanus. Okay, tetanus is not generate the herd immunity. Okay, what is a herd immunity? It is the form of indirect protection from an infectious disease that occurs when a sufficient percentage of a population has become immune to an infection, whether through vaccination or a previous infection. Okay, so polio, measles and smallpox is developed the herd immunity, like smallpox and polio is nearby the eradication, so it developed the herd immunity, and measles is also developed the herd immunity, but tetanus is not developed because as it caused by the bacteria and it is not able to develop the herd immunity. The next question, who is the father of demography? So here our right answer is John Grant is the father of demography. Then all are the components of a demography except. So here our answer is education is not included in a component of a demography. So the component included in a demography are fertility, mortality, marriage, migration and the social mobility. Then the next question, main cause of a maternal mortality is. So here our right answer is hemorrhage is a main cause for a maternal mortality. Then the next question, first complete census done in India. So here our right answer is 8081. Okay, the next question, this is a logo of. So this is a logo of UNICEF. Okay, which launched in 11 December 1946, and the main activity of UNICEF include the immunization and disease prevention, administering the treatment for children and mothers with HIV, enhancing the childhood and maternal nutrition, improving the sanitation, promoting the education and providing the emergency relief in a response to a disaster. So it is the logo of UNICEF. Here we completed our 20 important MCQs, and if you solve with me, then put your marks in the comment box, and if you have any query regarding these 20 questions, then feel free to ask in a comment.